Dear students, one of my students sent me this question and I would like to explain it. The statement of the question: in 1995, Diana read 10 English books and 7 French books. In 1996, she reads twice as many as French books. If 60% of the books she reads during the 2 years were French, how many English and French books did she read in 1996? Actually, if you see the question, how many English and French books did she read in 1996? Actually, he is asking the number of books she reads in 1996. So, all options from A to E are for the number of books she reads in 1996. Before going to hit the right answer, we know in 1995 she reads 17 total books. 10 books for English and 7 books for French. And in the next sentence, this is told that she reads X books for English and double of that or twice of that mean 2X for French. So this means she reads 3X books in 1996. 3X in 1996. Here you see 3 is a hint for you. So the answer must be multiple of 3, as 3x means number of books in 1996 and all answers are the number of books she reads in 1996. And if you see carefully, A, B and C is not the multiple of 3, so you cannot take A, B, C as your correct answer. So from total 5 options, you rule out first 3 options. So you are left only with D or E because there is only one correct option. This could be D or E only. Now look, if you consider 39, why 39? Because 39 is a multiple of 3 and 48 is also a multiple of 3. If you divide 39 by 3, you get 13 and 26. You get 13 and 26. So for 1996, the number of French books could be 26. If I take number of books 26 and number of French books in 1995 was 7. So the total number of books will be 7 plus 26. So 7 plus 26 will be 33. And total number of books, because you have considered 39, so 39 plus 7, 39 plus 17 is 56. So you can calculate the percentage of 7 plus 26 from there. You will get 33 over 56. If you get the right answer, 33 over 56 must be 60%. If this is 60%, this could be the answer 39. D must be the answer. But if you see that this is not the correct answer, then you should not go for the E because first 3 you already checked wrong and D is also wrong. So no need to check for E because ultimately E could be the answer. But if you instead of D you choose E for verification and E will be the correct answer, then ultimately you conclude that B is a wrong answer. So this way actually we do questions. Actually our motto must to save the time during the exam. If we could save the time, then we can attempt maximum questions. This way we do all these type of questions in the paper.